GO train coming with a really bad turn. Holy man. And right now, we are at a Walkway crossing in Newmarket, Ontario. Just about to receive a GO train with a really bad turn that you just heard. I never heard that horn before. I heard some bad train horns before in the past, but I never heard anything like it before. Hopefully we can see it pull up in the platform really soon. There it is. Wow, that was a terrible horn if you just heard it right there. That was probably the worst horn I ever heard on a GO train cab car. We'll see if it's a new one or old one. And it is a new cab car. Anyways, I'll pause it for now. Okay, now he's departing the Newmarket GO station right now. That's Newmarket GO station right that's down there. If you can see it, that's why he stopped. So yeah, anyways, hopefully let's see how the horn sounds when he gets closer. I think it's going to be an interesting train horn, that's for sure. Holy man, that was a terrible horn that you just heard. I don't think I can recognize the cab car, 376. So I think that's a brand new cab car. Anyways, that will be it. Anyways, here's the train at East Gwillimbury. Hopefully you can hear the horn.
been too many get off that time.
So yeah, that's the Tabor Horn at the Walkway crossing and the East Granbury crossing. Anyways, I think that will be it from me. That was a really different home than always. Anyways, thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And that will be it as always.